Hey, what up, sisters? Welcome back to my channel. Just kidding, man. Won't do that again. Back in action. We're back in the action, boys. Oh, no! I just realized we got the boys version of that stupid intro. Oh, no! The one prop we needed. Diamond Touch is out of battery, boys. My bad. We'll take care of that real quick. Batteries cost like the same amount as that thing. Chill out. Anyway, thank you guys so much for being back, man. Appreciate it so much. We got another car vlog today, like old times. Our girlfriend just got off a big night shift at work, so she's sleeping. Best boyfriend award, boys. You know, I can't wake her up. Especially, I ate her leftover pizza last night. She's already gonna wake up angry, so like, I'd rather not add to that. Anyway, man, if you guys support the channel, leave a thumbs up, comment down below. It helps us get shared every time you do that. As you guys know, since YouTube's been pulling my videos lately, because I got a lot of bad ones, it really helps for you guys to thumbs up and comment to get it reshared in the algorithm. That's it. Let's get on to the video. Oh, mailman with no packages. Should I scare him? I shouldn't scare. He's a nice guy. All right, and you know what? Let's scare him just for a second. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. He's just sitting in the back of the car saying thank you. That's hilarious. We're really weirded out now. Anyway, boys, I'm coming back with another slugger of video for you guys, man. Brands for the boys. This video's for awareness, almost maybe. We'll see. You guys can see by the title, we have fake ICEBOX jewelry that we're unboxing in today. Long story short, one of you guys hit me up in the DMs. I always encourage that. My Instagram's right here. Hit me up if you guys ever want to just give me video ideas. Less work for me, makes me love you more, and you know, I get to shout you out, even though I can't remember the guy's name that gave me this video. Sorry. A website, I'm not going to name names because I do not promote this, but I'll say a website like AliExpress has been selling jewelry, which is good first off, but when you're selling jewelry, generally you take the picture of the jewelry that you're selling. This website, or whoever's selling this, is posting pictures of ICEBOX's jewelry and promoting it as that. That's the only thing they're showing. Now you guys might be wondering, like, how do you know it's ICEBOX's jewelry pictures that you're using? Check it out right here, boys. This is ICEBOX's Instagram. You can always tell because they have like numbers on their stuff, because in the comments they're like, hey, pick your favorite one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kind of lame, but whatever. So they had exact pictures of that under their jewelry that they're selling. Now this can mean 3 things maybe. First thing this means, 1, they're actually selling ICEBOX product. I know that to be false. It's just not a thing. It can't be a thing. 2, they're just reselling ICEBOX's jewelry. That can't be. We just got a couple things here and they're each about $60 to $100. You ain't getting ICEBOX items for that. You're not even getting the freaking lanyard for that. Actually, you can get 2 lanyards for like $60 on their website. It's nuts. 3, they're just lazy and using other people's pictures because ICEBOX's jewelry just looks better and they're trying to deceive you, and I think that's what it is. I'm not cool with it, but I wanted to check it out. I do want to say it beforehand, before we check this out, I do not promote this. This is for awareness for you guys. A lot of these websites, they'll just take fake pictures of jewelry that looks really good and sell the crappy versions. It's not a good way to do it. Also, it leads me to curiosity of what their actual jewelry looks like. So with the jewelry unboxed, I'm going to attach the image that they posted what it should look like, and from there, I guess we'll just diamond test it and like kind of have fun with it. But this is more of just like a kind of a curious thing, you know, like, does it look really good? Does it look like the pictures that they're posting from ICEBOX, or does it suck? I'm gonna place a wager on it. I think it probably sucks, boys. I'm not gonna lie. Which is why I spent $150 after shipping on both of these. My God. Anyway, boys, I think you got the gist. Here's the first one. Hear that? Yeah, we got broken jewelry, boys. So I'm going to post a picture up of what they were selling. I'm going to leave out the website. Once again, safety. I'm not trying to get sued. Buying fake ICEBOX. Alright, moment of truth. Oh, I forgot to mention. Can I just open this? I'm going to put it away for a second. Then we had one more point. Now, keep in mind, they're already trying to fake B ICEBOX. That's a thing. But maybe they're trying to fake their product, which is why I actually just went to my mom's house today. I bought this ring for her. This is how ICEBOX product is going to come. So what we're actually really going to look for, too, is, once again, they're already faking it, but how hard are they going to try to fake it? This is what ICEBOX product comes in. You charge an exorbitant amount for this one bag, by the way. It's ridiculous. And it comes in another bag. This is my mom's ring that I bought her, and then that's what their product would look like. I'm assuming that we would look for, if they are trying to fake it, an ICEBOX stamp somewhat like this one right here. Now this is authentic from ICEBOX. It didn't fit my finger. Actually, it does fit my finger quite well, but I didn't realize it when I bought it that it was a girl's ring until y'all bragged on me in the comments. I'm so pissed I can't speak. Anyway, so it should look like that if they have an insignia and they're really trying to rip off ICEBOX. At that point, then we can like freaking like burn it in a video. That would be fun. I don't think you can burn metal. You can burn metal under certain heats. I think I've done it. We'll blow it up. First one, I got a couple pieces here, but bad start. Bad start. See a bag like this? It's no good. Absolutely no good. Okay, so we got the ring here. Blow. Here's the picture I found on the website. Y'all see it? That's ICEBOX's picture. Let's see if this matches up to it. Ugh. You know, we already have one of these too. We've unboxed this before, or we've unboxed one like it, probably a little bit different, but it is one of those just diamond spinny rings. Not ICEBOX, doesn't say ICEBOX in it. We'll diamond test it at the end. It looks like crap. You're turning your finger purple at this point, boys. Actually, it's not that bad. Don't promote it. The spin is nice. For an ADHD fellow like myself, the spin is quite nice. We have a boxed one like this, but no, this one looks to be better quality. We'll diamond test it in a second, boys. On to the next. I'm burning up. I'm looking like a tomato. Stop swearing, man. God, every time I swear, I gotta take another 10 minutes to edit the damn thing. And then I gotta edit 100 frickin' swears every video. There we go again. Next one. First off, what are our thoughts on this? No, not from ICEBOX. How dare they? Let's look at the picture one more time. Does this look like the picture? This is really what we're after here, boys. Focus, you mother... I'm gonna flip out, bro. Does that look like the picture? I guarantee it's not going to be that damn loose. It's like a frickin' fidget spinner for your finger, though. I'm kind of digging it. Leave your thoughts down below. Last one up, boys. Let's go. I don't remember what this one is. Address right there. Covered up. I just rolled an R for the first time. Right there. Why did I do it? I don't know, but I've been trying to do that for years. Nice. I'm going to use that one a lot. All right, boys. Next, we got a chain. Wow, I'm going to post a picture here. I'm going to find an editing or something. That's what they said it looks like. Keep in mind, these titles have ICEBOX in it. And here's what we got, boys. Yeah, wow, actually. It doesn't look half bad. So it's a regular, did I get a chain or did I, okay, so I got a bracelet, it looks like. Generally, I have an option of getting a chain or a bracelet. Bracelets are cheaper. We just get the bracelet. But it does not look like any sort of ICEBOX item. Yeah, I'm actually mad at that. It's not bad. You're just false freaking... Ah! Ooh. Ooh, scratch. Big scratch. Not bad. I really want to keep this car nice. Like really nice. Damn it. There's the next one. Take a look at, yeah, no ICEBOX on it, no insignia. So they're not trying to fake like their ICEBOX, but they're faking like their ICEBOX. You know what I mean? They're faking the quality of ICEBOX. Incorrect, wrong. Catch me outside, how about that? Imagine a white boy like me telling you that. You'd probably just slap me in the face and like tell me to get lost, and I'd just run crying. Yeah, it's crap. Stuff like this pisses me off. Once again, boys, just for awareness purposes, it's also like mainly curiosity, but for awareness, you just don't go with these companies that are posting these perfect pictures of jewelry that look like they should be worth, look like they are real first off, and should be worth 20 grand. Don't believe you're gonna get that for like 20, 50, 60, 70 dollars. You know what I mean? It's just not gonna happen. So there those are, boys. I haven't been diamond testing in a while. I ran inside and grabbed this. People have been asking me to start diamond testing again. I listened to the boys. NameBran's for the boys. This is what we do. I'll tell you right now. Take a wager down below. Are they gonna pass, yes or no? This video is brought to you by NameBranFam.com. If you guys are looking for real cheap jewelry, as you see on the page right now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, the quality is not the greatest ever, but it's free. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping. You like that one right there? Buy it. You can actually add 2 free pieces to your cart for the price of 1 shipping, boys, with the link down below, NameBranFam.com. Boys, you know brands for the family, brands for the boys, and that's why NameBran Fam is a thing. Thank you for sponsoring us. Me, nobody else will. Boys, diamond tester engaged. These stones don't look lit enough, boys. Come on, at least be moissanite. Sapphire, it's gonna go green if it's real. Nope, nothing. Garbage. Next, this one right here. It's gonna go green if it's real. Blue if it's red if it's metal. Bad. Hey, website that's selling this crap. I say no. ICEBOX says no. I speak with you guys. ICEBOX, if you're watching, sponsor me or something like that. Just give me a free, like, I don't know, $50 gift card every week or something. Month. I don't know. It'll add up. At one point, I'll get a Cuban chain and do a cool video on it. Appreciate you guys. This is Bran being there for the boys once again. This is Bran signing off. Freaking hot as a freaking pepper or something like that. One of those red ones. The green ones are apparently pretty hot. I don't try. I'm a little scared. No, it's the yellow ones that are hot. All right, peace.